family, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Jay from Jay Sotastic. So what? I don't know, but we've been doing some upcycling over here, and I want to share with you guys what I have upcycled. I have finally finished the blue jean dress. So I know some of y'all was waiting and waiting and waiting, and I really wasn't planning on getting this dress done soon, but I had to come to a halt on it, y'all, because it was at the length that I felt like it should be at. So I'm not going to hold you long. I'm going to get into the video, show you the dress, and you let me know in the comments what you think about the dress. Don't forget to give me a like if you like the video. And welcome back to those who have been subscribed for me for quite some time. And welcome to my new subscribers. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm glad you decided to stop by today. It is Sunday. I hope you have had your soul blessed today. And yeah, that's all I have to say, y'all. And I'm working on another upcycle that I will share with you later on in the week. So this will be in my short. This will probably be in my Instagram. I don't know if I'm going to put it on TikTok or not, but yeah, it is what it is. So happy Sunday, stay blessed, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye. Hey, you guys, it's Jay Sotastic. Here is my current upcycle that I'm working on. It's going to be a blue jean dress. That I don't know. It might turn into a skirt. Who knows? But right now, the thing is to turn it into a dress. Okay, so I have been doing individual patching and sewing. I am just sewing on my blue jean dress here today, and I am using a neck cam. Okay, so as y'all can see, wherever I move to, it moves to. Really gives a close-up view of what I'm doing. Well, if I zoom in, or I can zoom out, and that way I can still look over the camera. I'm trying to look over it. I can adjust it. Can do what I need to do to bring y'all a better view. If I'm up and I'm at the table and I'm sewing and working on something with my hand. And I purchased this on Amazon. It was $5.29.